The organization Fli-Anthropy presents the Rhythm Relief Benefit Concert, a special event to support the Odyssey House in Flint. Here to tell us all about it and how you can support the mission, we welcome to the show Caitlin Mansour along with Jordan Johnson and George McQueen on the show. Good morning to you all.
Good morning.
Great to see you.
Good morning.
Yes, we were just chatting a moment ago. Fli-Anthropy, how long have you been around?
We've been around maybe for the last 2-3 months. We're fairly new, but we've always been in the community working with different nonprofits and different small grassroots community groups. So
I'm guessing it's a play on Flint and philanthropy, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's at the core of your mission there?
Yeah, just helping our community understand that philanthropy doesn't have to be this big grand gesture. It doesn't have to be giving a bunch of money. It doesn't have to just be in the box of, oh, we're going to give to the soup kitchen or we're going to work at the homeless shelter. It can look however, what other resources that you have, whether it's your presence, your time, or any kind of resources that you have.
Yeah, all those little things add up. Tell our viewers at home about the Odyssey House.
So Flint Odyssey House is a substance use treatment center. We have multiple levels of care for people with co-occurring mental health and substance use disorders, which includes detox, residential, outpatient, housing, and we even have an adolescence program.
Well, typically, how many people do you work with?
A lot.
A lot.
Every level of care is different amounts, but yeah, it's we treat many people.
Well, and clearly the need is there. And talk about why you're so invested in supporting the Odyssey House.
Well, I felt like those are one of the groups of people who people kind of overlook when it comes to who they want to help. A lot of times it's easy to give to like a food bank or something like that because all you got to do is clean out your pantry. But when it's people who really need some help and we feel like they aren't really being seen, we just wanted to find a way to make it cool to give back to them and just really give it to them in a way that they can receive it and it actually means something.
Oh, and that brings us to this community concert, right? Tell us all about it. When and where is this happening?
Yeah, so it's going to be downtown at the Flint Local on this Friday, July 18th from 6 to 9. We're taking all kind of donations, so from toiletries to different gently used clothing, diapers, and so we also are going to have a benefit concert to just give the residents and staff at the Odyssey House a good fun night to celebrate them for their commitment to their journey of recovery, and also celebrating the staff there that are also committed to working with our residents at the Odyssey House.
Yes, and talk about the difference firsthand that you all see through the Odyssey House.
Like what differences they're make at the Odyssey House?
You get to see firsthand, that they're making differences in people's lives, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, some students that I grew up with or whatever, when we were young and they used to get dropped off at the Odyssey House, like I didn't know necessarily what it was, but I ran back into them years later and they talked about how they helped their mom get through, and they were children in that situation and now they're like working at banks and all that kind of stuff. So just seeing like how a rough time for them kind of got turned around and it kind of helped put them all on the right track as a family, I think that's beautiful.
Yeah, they're doing some great work there. Overall, why is it just great to be invested in the community and support efforts like this?
I'm sorry?
By turning out to the concert and supporting this effort, why is that so important?
Yeah, as they said, our clients are, on a difficult journey, and having all the support really makes a difference, knowing that the community is behind them, that people care for them and want to see them succeed. It means everything.
So who's invited to this concert?
Everyone.
Anybody could come. Just make sure you bring a donation because that is admission. We're not charging people at the door. You don't have to come out your pocket. Just come out of your heart.
Wonderful. Again, this is all through Fli-Anthropy. Fli-Anthropy. Easy enough for me to say, but it's a great organization. Where can people find more information?
Yeah, you can find us on our Facebook page at Fli-Anthropy or on our website at flianthropy810.org.
Wonderful. And it sounds like a great time and a great cause. Thank you so much.
Thank you.